Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Heroku for deployment authorizations, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your terminal or command prompt. If you haven't installed the Heroku CLI yet, download it from the Heroku website. Once installed, type Heroku login in your terminal. Press enter to initiate the login process. A browser window will open, prompting you to log in to your Heroku account. Enter your email address and password linked to your Heroku account. After successfully logging in, you can close the browser window. Return to your terminal, where you should see a confirmation message stating you are logged in. Next, navigate to the directory of your project by using the cd command followed by your project path. Once inside your project directory, check if you have a Heroku app set up by typing Heroku apps. If you don't see your app listed, create a new Heroku app with the command Heroku create. This will generate a unique app name and set up a remote repository. To ensure proper authorization for deployment, verify the remote by typing git remote v. You should see the Heroku remote in the list. Now, you're ready to deploy your application. Use the command git push Heroku main to push your code to Heroku. Monitor the output in the terminal for any errors during deployment. Once the process is complete, open your app in a browser using Heroku Open. This command will launch your web browser and direct you to your newly deployed app. Congratulations, you've successfully authorized with Heroku for deployment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.